Saturday morning, waiting for the mailman, having not a very good time. Morning guys, what's happening, what's going on? I'm waiting for a delivery. Actually, my Breitling is supposed to arrive today between 8 o'clock and 2 o'clock, and as normally the German mail is delivered, even though from private mail services in the morning. I get up at 7:30, now it's 9:30 and they haven't arrived yet. But nevertheless, you should get to see today a short unboxing of my latest purchase. Woohoo! Here I sit, complain about the mailman does not arrive at 9:30 and 9:35. Look what did arrive. Alright guys, let's change perspective and do a first unboxing of my new 2018 Breitling Avenger II Chrono 43mm. So excited. Let's go!
I know you will find your way from all this. I know there's a brighter day.
Saturday, my watch arrived. So, oh my god, guys, this every time is exciting. Oh, let's see. There we go. There we go. Oh man, it's amazing. You see, it's so cold outside. let me get my watch a little bit more warm and then we check it. Here we are guys. I just aligned the bezel and get the first material out of the way. So first impression of the Breitling. It's a 43mm and man, what a watch. I'm really in love with that. Full polished case, brushed bezel, fully polished bracelet, classical clasp. Oh boy, what a watch. And double side coated sapphire crystal. Oh damn. Alright guys, that's a small unboxing, first impressions. I have to of course adjust the length of the bracelet, but 43mm, perfect size actually, not too big. I was thinking about going for the Super Avenger, but with 48mm it would have been far too big. So guys, detailed review of this new piece will be next week. I'm going to fasten the bracelet, wear it for a week, and we're going to make an in-depth review next weekend. So stay put, stay tuned for that, and yeah, have a great Saturday. I definitely do. Bye guys, ciao.
Take your time, I will wait.